What's popping, people? It's Love Eyes TV in the building, and I see it there. But guess what? It's not about Love Eyes right now. Guess what? Love Eyes, I send out birthday shoutings to Charm Lifestyle. Charm is supposed to do this on the road, you know, but guess what? When me reach in, the member say, me never do it till we get disappointed on the road. And I say, Charm deserve this. Hey, people, on the thing say, a white team, me know Charm. Who from there? Wanna know about me and Charm? I come from what picking workplace, same place we used to work together. Right, that's a Charm. Big up yourself, you know, because people must set example of for you. No know nothing about computer, nothing at all where white is concerned. I look how far you're there. Bless up your nice clean self. You're what? A Charm birthday. So now listen, I'm gonna just sing out a little. Happy birthday, na Charm. Happy birthday, baby girl. And guess what? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tom. Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Charm. Bless up your nice, clean self coming from Love Eyes, aka Love Doctor. Mwah.
God bless greetings each and every one. I am Servant David, and I want to say hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray for Charm's lifestyle birthday, yeah? Because you're still a whole of meds in a hurt. Even though you see the wicked them a lurk. You still a whole of meds in a hurt, cause you put Almighty God first, yeah. Charm still a whole of meds in a hurt. Even though she see the wicked them a lurk. Charm still a whole of meds in her hurt, cause she put Almighty God first. Manners, love, and elevation to you. And blessed birthday to you, yeah? Servant David says so. Love you.
Happy birthday, mother. Hope you have yourself a wonderful day, and I hope you live to see many, many more.
Hi guys, hi to everybody that is watching. First and foremost, I'm just gonna apologize for my voice. My voice is just leaving me, but that's not the meat of the matter. Right now, I'm just coming on to say happy birthday to my girl Charm, good girl Charm, as I like to call her. And if you're wondering who I am, my name is Melissa, and I am from the channel The Dolavos. I'm just coming on to send Charmaine a huge, huge, huge birthday wish. Charmaine, I hope you'll have an amazing day. I hope that every dream and desire that you're working towards will fulfill and will come through this year and even the years to come. Happy birthday, my love, and I hope you have a wonderful day. You already know, so the love real, the love enough, 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 and I hope you have a good day. Happy birthday, Charm.
Hello Charmin, good morning. I sent you this video to wish you a happy birthday. And yes, I must sing it. It's okay. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Charmin. Happy birthday to you.
Love it when you hold me, jams your love control me. Please can you squeeze me so tight? For any device you don't know something about the blacks music and I represent for Charms lifestyle. Yes, I on our birthday, Queen Day. Charms, big up yourself, you know, big up your nice, clean self, you know something about the blacks love it to him heart, don't it? Yeah man. So keep being who you be, keep a beautiful smile on your face, keep bringing smile on our faces as well. You know so we love you. Believe me, say, anytime I tell you, say, Charms are the realest real. Believe me, say, anytime I tell you that I will never ever try. Big up yourself, Charms.
Happy birthday to our very supportive member in the house, Mother Charm Lifestyle. Wishing you all the best. May you have more birthdays to come. Please continue supporting everyone and wishing you success in your channel. Cheers. Happy birthday.
Yeah, man, you don't know it's all about Charm birthday thing, you know? So I just send our greetings from Rich Kitchen. You know, Patrick sending in greetings already, but you don't know, see on the other side. So it's all about Charm birthday. You don't know, me just celebrate mine already. And you don't know, say, November year thing, but it's still a friend see me. Up to our best month still not Charm, but big up yourself. And happy Earth Strong. You say pretty from both sides or any side you take it, but we there outside in a man to go be it. So you know the thing go. It's all about Rich Kitchen endorsing Charm birthday bash. Sabrina, what you have to say?
Pretty fun and inside. You know it's your glow day, so you're gonna just dress up and have fun. Mommy Charm, you've been a tower of strength. You're such a wonderful person. I have no regrets meeting you. I just want you to enjoy your special day today and enjoy to the max. Don't make nobody spoil you. I remember drink liquor alcohol. Remember, drink just a little bit of alcohol. Charm, you know we love you.
Charm,
we know we love you bad.
Don't drink no alcohol. Alcohol are throw up yourself. Drink some champagne. Boom, Rich Kitchen. I'm out.
Mommy Charm, happy birthday! I love you, Mommy Charm. I wish on your birthday you have a healthy, you have a healthy life, healthy body, a healthy family, and healthy environment. And I love you, Mommy Charm, and me and Team Overload, especially Ryan's vlog. We love you so much, Mommy Charm. We are always here, always and forever supporting you. Pure love to you, Mommy Charm. Thank you so much for sharing your blessings, for always supporting me, and also Team Overload. You deserve to be happy, Mommy Charm. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Stay beautiful as you are. Stay kind. Yeah, that's it. And don't change, Mommy Charm. I love you. I'm always here for you, no matter what. God bless you always. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Grandma Charm. I hope you enjoy this day. Please have a lot of fun today and enjoy this special day of yours, because not many get to live to see today. And I hope that you will celebrate it to the fullest while making an awesome video from your granddaughter, Kiana. Enough love. You're a great, amazing, kind person. A great, amazing, kind, caring person. So I love you so much. Enjoy today. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mommy Charms, and I just want to greet you a happy birthday to you. Yan. My wish to you is a good health, long life, and more happiness on your birthday. Yan. And thank you for all the love and support that you've given to me as my mother on YouTube, and I feel you as my biological mother. That's why, Mommy Charms, I love you so much, and I'm always here for you to support and love to you, okay? That's right. Just enjoy your day, Mommy Charms, and I love you so much, and happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Hi, Charmaine. How was your day? How was your day today? I just want to greet you a happy birthday, and I hope all the blessings will come unto you and your family, and I hope this your birthday you will enjoy it to the fullest, and I'm so happy that God gives you another life and another year to enjoy your life. And by the way, there are people who wants to greet you happy birthday too, guys.
Happy birthday, Charmaine!
There, happy birthday again, Charmaine. I hope that you're gonna enjoy your day. God bless. Bye. Sending hugs and kisses from the Philippines.